on my hand. You could use peppermint oil or lavender. Lavender's a really good one. And now I'm just gonna hover over her head. She can feel my presence now, and she's smelling it, so she knows I'm here. She knows I'm here because I'm in close proximity too, so it's not gonna be a surprise when I touch her shoulders. And I'll just say, I'm gonna touch your shoulders lightly. And I'm trying to do that to not disturb the rest of the class. Now you can see how her palms opened and her arms moved away from her torso. So that's more relaxed. I'm putting her in a super anatomical position. My fingers are touching the floor, palms right in the crease or divot of the shoulder, and my fingers are facing away from her chest. I'm right here, fingers on the floor, and I can put my full weight because it's going in my fingers, and then it completely relaxes her. And then as I move to her neck, I don't want to lift my hands. I keep one hand on the shoulder, and one at a time, because I'm not done, I'm telling her I'm not finished. So now I've got one thumb on her shoulder where she holds tension maybe a little bit, and I'm just going to press and squeeze a little bit. She just released that a little bit. And of course, keeping one thumb on, I'm going to go to the next portion, which is her occipital ridge. So the base of the skull. I'm going to gently lift her head and bring my hands together. So my fingers, if you can see that, are right on this ridge. It's called the occipital ridge. It's the base of the skull, and we hold a lot of tension there. So I'm going to just press all my fingers into that tension and pull her towards me. You can do this with feet on the ground in a squat, because that gives me some leverage if that's comfortable for you. Or you can have a kneel position as well. Then I'm going to gently, with my fingers still pressing into her head, let her head come down. And now I'm primed to give her a little tension release in the head. So all I'm doing is moving my fingers up and down. My thumbs are going to come from the temple. I'm going to replace my pointer finger there. Give her a little temple massage. And then the hands, thumbs to the third eye, and just open it up. And that tells her I'm done.